Hey, this is Bo here with Toyota. Wanted to show you guys this awesome new 2021 Toyota 4Runner Nightshade four-wheel drive. Hope you guys like it. So this is the brand new 2021 Toyota 4Runner Nightshade edition, four-wheel drive. You'll notice the black accents where the chrome usually is. We do have this new TSS sensor here, blacked out Toyota badging, your TSS camera. One thing I really like that they're doing is this touchpad entry system. You'll see, beautiful vehicle though. It does have the Nightshade running boards, the blacked out limited wheels specific to the Nightshade. You'll see here, still no BSMs for 2021. I know you guys are waiting for that. You do have the tow package, proximity sensors all the way around. You still have the iconic roll down glass here. This one's got the all-weather package with Toyota First Aid Kit, cargo net, front cover, obviously. Love this all-weather protection you have here. In the back, you'll notice really spacious rear passenger area with two 2.1 amps and rear AC. You got your little light up top. Plenty of space. These seats do recline. Up front, you got the 10-way power adjustable, all-weather mats, memory seating here, your outlet, automatic high beams to go with your TSS. Does have the leather wrapped steering wheel. This one's only got 4 miles on it. You'll see here, steering angle, tire pressure, compass, music, your TSS sensor, so you can actually go in here and adjust how far you are from the vehicle in front of you. You also have the lane departure alert there. Here we have your mirror. You have A-Track, downhill assist, 3 garage door openers, SOS Safety Connect. I love how they've updated the on-tune here. So you have dynamic navigation with over 3 million points of interest saved, which is amazing. Your climate control here, JBL audio, check this out. Premium JBL audio. That rear glass, you'll notice this is black, 4x4 controls. So this is one of the only vehicles with the full-time four-wheel drive. You'll see here you also have heated and cooled seats, but that full-time four-wheel drive is exclusive to this and the Land Cruiser, and it also has what's called KINETIC DYNAMIC SUSPENSION. So as you can see there, that's premium. So as I was saying, you do have the KINETIC DYNAMIC suspension, which is exclusive to the Land Cruiser and 4Runner. Sorry, I got a call in the middle of my video. You know I'm a working salesman, but beautiful car. You guys can reach me. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think in the comments as well. Hey, thanks everybody for watching my video. Please, like I said, subscribe to my channel. I like, showing these cars off to you guys. And if there's any you'd like me to do personally, please just comment below and I'll be more than happy to make a video. Thanks again.